I'm going to transform this builder grade nook area into this much better looking nook area. That means we got to start with the demo. Take out the old junk. Once all the old stuff is removed, I'm going to draw on the wall kind of the rough idea of what I'm going to do and make sure the customer finally approves it. Next, I put up hardboard because texture sucks. Then the cabinet, shelves, and the battens. Then it's my least favorite part, priming and painting, and a lot of it. After multiple coats of primer and paint, it's time to put up the hardware. Customer ordered these satin nickel hooks to match the rest of their hardware in their house, and they went up quite nicely. And there you have it. Take out an ugly builder grade nook and get yourself a nice custom one. It's just my opinion, but I do think this looks a lot better than what they had before. What do you think?